All right, so welcome again to Military Guna TV. Thank you very much again for joining. As you know, HBO, before I get into anything, administration is a must. HBO, help a brother out. Help a brother out, people, by smashing the like button and hitting the subscribe button. As you know, the Jamaican vloggers were trying to build our community and definitely integrate more Jamaican into the footballing world realm, in a Jamaican footballing realm, because we know most of you guys support your clubs overseas, and you guys have subscribed to hundreds of channel overseas, and we're looking for the support just the same. Hit the subscribe button and support your Jamaican brothers. We are trying. We're really trying, and we're pushing out a lot of work out there. There's so much of us in the category. Coaches at Ryan LLC, I'm Dread in the Sport, Manning's Man, that is I Am Sure Sports, Formula Sports. There's a lot. There's so much in the region. But big up to all of my vloggers. Massive respect to you guys. I know the hard work that you guys are putting in. People, really look out for the support. Support us, people, as we continue to give you guys great footballing content, things we can discuss on a day-to-day basis. Now, before we do anything, another administration. So the GOAT has won is 7th Ballon d'Or. The GOAT has won his 7th Ballon d'Or. Yes, a lot of people are going to be coming at me for that. Whilst you're going in the comment section to debate that, please, guys, smash the like button and ensure that you hit the subscribe button. And you know, people are not going to subscribe, or people are not going to like the video for that. But man, I GOAT. You can't take that from him. He's the GOAT. And yes, people are going to say, no, deserve it and all in type of in there. But come on. Look at the stats. I'm ready to go into the comment section and start off a debate. That is the reason I want you guys to join the Discord, so we can debate these things. But anyway, we're not here to talk about that. We're here to talk about Tappa Whitemore. Now, the JFF have definitely gone in dark mode. What do you call dark mode? So it has been over almost 3 weeks. 3 weeks? It's almost 3 weeks now since. Okay, so people, before I get to that, people, a little bit more admin. So my Twitter page was suspended. My official Twitter page was suspended. Military Guna TV at Jamaica Football News. Account suspended, as you can see. Definitely, guys, I've started a new page. It's called Military Guna TV as well. So just type in Military Guna TV, you will find it, because this page is suspended, which means that you can't find it anywhere again. But definitely, we're not here to talk about that. Just a small amount of admin. So I made this tweet this morning. Definitely, it would have seemed as if that the JFF had gone dark mode for this Tappa Whitemore situation, and it's not a good look. It's not a good look. It's definitely not a good look. So the JFF has gone silent on Whitmore's decision in regards to keeping him, keeping his job or not. If you won't sack Theodore Whitmore, it is easy for you guys to come out and say, okay, people, we're not going to sack the coach. We are going against the advice of the technical committee. We're going against the advice of the technical staff, and they're going against their recommendation, and we're going to keep Tappa Whitemore until the rest of the campaign. It is not hard to come out and say that. It is easy when the rumors is going around, when all the news broke about Tappa Whitemore being sacked, you guys come out quick. At that point in time, I said, at this moment, Tappa Whitemore is still head coach, and since then, Dalton Wynn said there's a press conference imminent, a press release, I should have said, imminent, in regards to the announcement of Tappa Whitemore being sacked or staying in a job. Now, my question to the JFF is this: what is happening? What is the situation? Why no communication? Why the fan base is not getting any information? I've also realized that you guys are lessening your content on the Instagram and Twitter, which means that you guys are hiding something. Definitely hiding something. There's something that you guys don't want to bring out. What is the situation? We, the fans, need to know. The JFF is not a private organization. You should not treat it as such. It is not a private organization. You should not treat it as such. It is called the Jamaica Football Federation, not the Michael Ricketts Football Federation, not the Dalton Wynn Football Federation, or the Theodore Whitmore Football Federation. It's called the Jamaica Football Federation. You guys need to understand that. This is bigger than any one of you who's sitting on the table right now. It's bigger because it was there before any one of you, and it will be there after. So don't think that you have this immense amount of power. It's there. The JFF was originated long before I was born, and I'm 100% sure, 100% sure that I will die leaving the JFF. 100% sure. When I'm 60, 70, 90, even 150 years old, there's still going to be a JFF. It has nothing to do, and most of you guys won't be in that position. So if you guys are worrying about your work, you won't be working there for long. You won't be working there forever. You cannot work there forever. So when will the decision be made? When will the decision be made? What is happening? We need to know what is happening. And the time has come. The time has passed for you guys to make the official announcement. You guys have not made the official announcement. It's now 3 weeks. It is winding down. It is winding down closer, really, really closer onto the next set of games. January is right around the corner. Today is the 1st of December. We are a few weeks away from the beginning of the campaign again, the restart of the campaign. And we have not heard anything. JFF, pull up your socks, sort it out. And if you guys are going to be seeing a total campaign from me in regards to transparency again. Transparency, communication, we need it. We need to know what's happening. It is imperative that you allow the fans to know what is happening. If you go against the recommendation of your technical staff, that means that you are willing to take the stick and bite the dust. In the same sense, if you go against the recommendation of the technical staff, we would expect you to fire that technical staff, because that means that they're not doing their job. And if you don't go against the technical committee technical staff recommendation, it would mean that there's some personal bias. It would also highlight that there's some personal bias or some personal agenda way beyond just footballing reasons why you'd go against the recommendations of the technical committee, because that is the reason why you employ the technical committee. I've seen an interview on Sports Down the Middle with Mr. Rudolph Speed, big up Sports Down the Middle for that interview, and Mr. Rudolph Speed highlighted all the necessary stuff, and he said that JFF should act now. And guess what? All know the JFF hadn't act, and it seems as if the technical committee is vouching for this movement and this action, but none is being taken place. The JFF don't seem interested in what the technical committee have to say, despite them being in the position to make those recommendations, because they are the one who are the footballing brains. That is the reason why you employ them. They are the footballing brains. They know the ins and outs. Mr. Speed come on the show and he highlighted even down to the numbers, the figures. The man highlighted even the figures, what is important, what really matters. He went into details of the things that are not going on correct. You, Mr. Ricketts, said it yourself that you have given this campaign the most resources any campaign has ever gotten, and we're still faltering. So, Mr. Ricketts, the eyeball is on you. Eyeballs are on you. The pitch farts, the buckle lamps, all of these things are coming out. They are coming out if you don't act quickly. And I believe that I was being silent, even not only JFF. I believe that I was silent for a long time now. But guess what? I'm not silent anymore. I'm coming out now, because we need to see something. We need to see action. We need to know what is happening. We need to know what is for the rest. What is the plan for the rest of the campaign? What is the movement? What are we going to do? Some players are going to get dropped. Some players are still going to say, we need to know what is happening. Silence is too long now. And I won't accept that silence is consent. I will not accept that. I want to know what is happening. That is for me. I want to know what is happening. So definitely I won't go any further, people. Getting frustrated. Really, really frustrated. Guys, smash the like button, people. Please smash the like button. And hit the subscribe button as well, people. I'm trying to hit 10K before the end of this month. I'm not sure if that's possible. But they say, aim for the sky. If you fall in the clouds, he will take that. So 500 subscribers in a month. Anyways, people, I'm still working hard, so definitely would really, really appreciate it, guys. Hit the like button, subscribe. Military Guna TV people, and I am out.